So at market open, the S&P 500 dropped 4 points and then ripped 5 points and then dropped 10 points. Oh geez, the volatility is back. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys all had a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades the Daily Sniper Discord ended up taking, as well as preparing you guys for the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So first things first, we knew from last night's video, 589 was a massive level. If we break 589, it's going to dump 3 points. If we hold its support, we're going to go to 592. We ended up cracking this first thing in the morning. SPY also had a gap to fill at 586.06. So as soon as we fell short of this gap and our key level, as soon as we ended up ripping back up on this bullish move up, I ended up getting into puts here, ended up stopping out. I was very disappointed because I was extremely bullish on the day. Above 589, I was extremely bullish. Stopped out of there, ended up getting to 590 puts, sold it, ended up getting most of my loss back. Where did I go green on the day? I ended up alerting this on the Discord around 12:24 p.m. Eastern time. I ended up saying if we reject 586, I'm in puts, and today I see 584 at the very minimum. So on the 1 minute time frame, I ended up putting in a sloping support line. As soon as we broke it, I ended up getting in to 586 puts and sold the move. No, I did not expect this to drop 5 freaking points. No way, or 6 points, sorry. Did not expect that. Not a lot of people expected that, but I told you guys, if we end up making a roof at 584, SPY wants 581 to 580. As per last night's video, and that's exactly what happened. So moving forward until tomorrow, first thing I want to do, right? I want to click the weekly time frame right now. We ended up taking out the lows of last week and the lows of the week prior. So right now we are in a bearish structure. We keep breaking the lows of the previous 2 weeks. So what am I looking at? If you look at my mouse right now, where we ended up breaking, this is a weekly support around the 580 to 582 level weekly support, right? If we end up breaking this, the next levels that we have are all the way down at 570s, okay? So either we bounce here or we end up selling off to 570, 560 level. So what's our confirmation? First confirmation that we have is 586. This is going to be our make or break level. If we hold 586, free money calls all the way to 589. If you don't believe me, look at the history. We sell off, right? We drop 3 or 4 points. We hold at support, we rip 3 or 4 points. We sell off, we drop 3 or 4 points. We rip up, we drop a couple points. This whole move right here, we finally broke the lows. So now we are officially bearish, but once we put in a new low is usually when we start to bounce, and that's exactly what ended up happening today. So my game plan moving forward till tomorrow, I'm going to have a bigger game plan for next week. I just want to see how we close tomorrow. So obviously the best level that we have is 586, hold it support, 3 points up, reject it, 2 to 3 points down. So 586 is going to be the make or break level. If we end up opening above 586, guys, I'm going to bring 586 calls deep in the money. If we open up above that 589, I plan on bringing 589 calls deep in the money. I'm extremely bullish on SPY intraday. All I'm doing is looking at big money, right? Big money is not leaving the markets. Big money is, there's a little bit of selling pressure and then there's buying pressure, right? It's a lot of zigzag motion. As of right now, just look at the Bitcoin. It's the number one thing you could look at for holding liquidity, seeing if there's sellers, if there's buyers, if there's money leaving the market or entering the market. Bitcoin is actually starting to go back upwards to 100,000. I'm not that extremely bearish on crypto at the moment, as well as the stock market. This could be a big fake out. Again, best trades that I want is going to be 586. Above that, I'm hitting calls of 589. We hold 589. I'm hitting calls of 582 or 592. SPY has a gap to fill at 595.01. This gap is going to fill. It's just a matter of time. If we start getting some very bullish structure and some very bullish price action and we hold above 592, calls are going to print to 595. That is the last gap that we have on SPY. To the downside, what am I looking at for shorts? Okay, if we end up rejecting 586, we're going to go to 580 and then potentially to the 570s, 560s, right? each level I'm playing at. The biggest levels I'm playing at is 586, 584, and 580. 586 we reject, look where we go to. 584 we reject, look where we go to. 581. Before that, we went to the 580 level. 580 is going to be the make or break it level. I see a lot of people are getting extremely bearish. Look at Tesla. Tesla missed on earnings, dumped today. That's the reason why we had to sell off. And from my experience, what happens is a company like Tesla will have bad earnings, a market sell-off, a little bit of a sell-off, and then we end up, the dip gets bought, and we continue further because we are in a bull's market until we break certain levels, and we are nowhere near those certain levels. So right now, I am call bias, I am bull bias for the short term being. That being said, the best level for puts are going to be 595. After that, it's going to be 589, and after that, it's going to be 586 to 584. I'm going to be live streaming on YouTube tomorrow at Market Open. I will be live 10 minutes before market open at 9:20 Eastern time. 10 minutes before market open. I'm going to be live streaming, show you guys what the Discord's all about, show you guys how live trading with me actually goes. If you would like to be a part of the Daily Sniper, the link is in the bio. Use code Canada. Save yourself 30% every month. It's a cup of coffee a day, guys. You want to make money? You want to be a part of the best #1 options Discord around? It's $1 a day. So if you'd like to be a part of it, guys, link in the bio. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see everyone at Market Open tomorrow. Let's get into it. Take care, guys.